Yes, sir. Yeah, we out here tonight. See the nightlife out here in Nice. We are trying to find something to eat. Probably a bar, maybe a bar, and everything. It's not that bad. The weather's not that bad. Pretty cool. Yep, it's pretty cool. They got casinos out here. Nice. It's pretty. Oh, they got a Hard Rock Cafe. Oh, everything closed early over here. What's really going on? Yeah, it's not a lot of people here right now. I don't know. Maybe we're on the wrong part of the strip because we just walked into, just checking it out. It's another casino.
We learned Ferme Bouche earlier. Ferme Bouche.
Camale Bouche, what that mean?
Ferme Bouche.
Ferme Bouche?
Ferme Bouche. Shut up. Shut your mouth.
That's one of the words you
Nice way to say it.
That's one of the words you remember, huh?
What else?
Hold on. Check this out. This big chicken.
Parlez-vous français?
What you call me?
Do you speak French? Comment allez-vous? How are you?
Who was that?
Oh, let's see.
One eye, cockeyes. Cockeye couple, what's this? Leroy. This is hotel. Okay. Some weird little statues. Let's check this out. I got salon, coffee shop, pizza. Okay. Nobody in this. Brother in there. What is that? Okay. Ben and Jerry. Ben and Jerry is a liquor. Good combination. Do we got a Little Caesars box? I know he don't got a Little Caesars box in France. I know he's not eating no Little Caesars over here. What you see? Century 21. Man, they got real estate. They got Remax. They got all the real estate, American real estate companies out here. Because it's the international.
Yeah, on condo.
So we're at one condo, 470. Oh, okay, that's not bad. So 139. How many square feet is that? 21. I don't know what that is. 21 meters. That sounds like a hallway. A closet for 200,000 euros. Europe. Oh yeah, I remember. This is what is this? Yeah, John Michael Pasquale. It's one of his paintings. Really see?
Yeah, it's very famous.
Okay.
Mediterranean. Mediterranean Sea.
Say what?
See the Mediterranean Sea.
Mediterranean Sea.
You know, history buff, so.
Right.
Historic places.
Can't split the pole. I care about this pole. Yeah. So yeah, we just walking right now. So if you guys see some more scenery.
Di beneficenza, s'il vous plaît. Devo lavorare con una colletta, sì, vous avez.
See? Me? I don't even know what she said. Le Negresco? Le Negresco? Negresco? Black man's. Moose. Museum. Me, madam, we, see. I said see. That's Spanish and French in one. See, we. Oh man, I've been in California too long. Okay. All right. This is interesting. What is this? This is a black figure with some type of instrument. La Resistance. Right. Well, we're gonna, it's kind of boring over here. It's nothing to look at. So once we get somewhere closer, I'm gonna start filming again. All right, see you in a minute. Right. Rocking. Rock steady. See, keep rocking when you walk. We've been walking. We've been doing a lot of miles out here. We did 7 miles yesterday in Cannes. I gotta say it, correct. Cannes. They got some nice, like the old look. It's nice. I like these buildings. It's real estate. It is straight dead. It smells like CBD. What the hell? Goddamn. Oh wow, I got some statues of some guys on the top. This is crazy. It's pretty tight. Bonjour. Bonjour. Anything open for food?
For food?
Yeah, anything's open. I know it's late.
What do you want to eat?
It doesn't even matter.
There's a kebab place like
There's
Kebab?
pretty fine kebab. Like
How far
it's
now?
called Nice kebab.
Oh, it's called Nice Kebab?
Like
Okay.
nice, like Nice.
Oh, like Nice.
Okay, I think.
You in Nice, man. Nice and nice, the same word.
Or you also have like half quality Italian food just in the old Nice.
Okay.
If you
How far is that? The old Nice?
Oh, this is like 10 minutes or something?
No, like 5 minutes.
5
Do you
minutes?
think? Where?
I don't know, like because like normally like we are going to a bar like with our friends. So, like,
Okay.
if you like just go along like in the city, there
Okay.
are plenty of restaurants.
Oh, it's still open? Oh, okay. Okay.
Generally, the Italian one is open like 24.
Oh, okay.
Like that.
So,
Yeah,
same way you
if you want,
got?
there are like restaurants there,
Okay.
and like if you go like just along
Okay.
some of it, along
Okay.
the
All right, appreciate it, brother. All right, take care. Old Nice is this way. Same way you guys going, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, we'll follow along. We'll be behind you guys.
You go downstairs at the statue to the direction of the pink building. And
Oh,
you
okay.
continue straight on,
Okay.
and you will see there is a few places
Mhm.
you can ask back, but you on the right after all the pubs you will see on the left.
Okay.
There's
Italian.
You just go along the street and
Okay. All right. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you. Don't hurt yourself on that. We can take this. It's still
This is probably not the train. It's probably a local.
at least I'm taking something, man. We could take this to probably going to the old niche. It's pretty dope. Segments. Beats. They all the same way. Man, sheesh, I'll be lost. Telling you all the streets that's coming up. You wear those? Never seen that. That's crazy. Straight European. You literally order your own pizza. And it comes out right there. They got mojitos and all that. Hey. That's where we can eat in here. Open? You wanna eat in here? I guess we can sit down and eat. I don't know. It's too, yeah, we don't have a lot of choices. Oh, you got nice. It's a nice place. Okay. YouTube. Huh? I'm sorry? I don't know.
Fritz?
Italians? Yeah, Aperol Spritz. Campari Spritz? Campari Spritz? Campari.
Power.
Campari.
Ah, Campari.
Spritz, yes.
Campari Spritz e
Aperol Spritz, yes. Can we sit down and eat? Can we sit down and order? Can we sit?
Yes.
Okay. It's nice. Do you have anything sweet? Sweet? Anything sweet? Dessert? Dessert? Any those dessert? Dessert?
Des œufs?
Yeah. No. Tiramisu?
Vous voulez des œufs sous la pizza? Sweet sous pizza?
Oh, you got a sweet pizza?
Pizza? Sweet pepperoni?
Oh, no. Just wanted the dessert, though, like a dessert. Like, hey, I'm sorry. I can't. I can't speak French. I gotta learn. Yeah. You don't have none. Like some bacon up there. Man. Definitely gotta learn French. I'm struggling out here. Man, you come to a foreign country, you definitely gotta learn a language. And then we have the translator apps and they don't even work. We don't have no signal. She's shaking her head at me.
It's strong beer.
Stronger beer? Which beer is that?
Strong.
Okay. Oh, well.
Yes.
It says strong right in front of it. Okay. That's the beer. All right. How long you been in business? How long you been open?
Okay.
How long have you been open? How long you been open?
250.
25?
Open.
Years. Decades, years.
Non capisco.
Started. Established.
Non capisco. Scusa.
No capiche?
No.
Not established? Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't speak French.
Speak English, I can translate.
I was asking her how long her business been open.
Elle est en train de vous demander combien de temps ça fait que vous faites ça.
Et qu'il est ouvert ici,
Oui.
c'est 22 ans.
22 years.
22 years?
Yeah.
I appreciate it, brother.
Hier. Après, encore 10 ans, ça fait 32.
So it's been like
C'est un métier, c'est
32 years that she have been doing this.
Wow.
And
22.
22. That's
Okay. All right. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
ça.
Oh, thank you. I got you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Got the pizza. Pizza. Thank you.
Bon appétit.
Hey, thank you. Oh my God. Sheesh. That is too much at 1 o'clock. Is it good? Okay. Try this, and I'm gonna give it to you guys later.